Alright, so my name is Ebony. My nickname is Geek. How I got the name? I got it from when I was in college because I was always addicted to computers and I was doing some shit that I was not even supposed to do, but I did it. And the IT department of the dorm used to come to my room and be like, "What you doing? Are you messing with the other person's computer today?" I'm like, "Oh, man." These, man, I remember people was lining up for these. Crazy, but I got myself prepared. But I decided that's the day I decided I was not gonna buy any more sneakers for men or support them as much. So fuck these. So now we're gonna talk about these right here. This is Melody Eshani. Melody Eshani. Alright, so I just won these. I'm about to open it up right now. Bam. Came with this inside a black envelope. It's like an invitation card. Basically Air Jordan. The women's Air Jordan. This is almost similar. This is what it looks like on the box. When you post it, alright. So it says, if you truly knew what you have is rare, you would never waste it. Fact. And the author that wrote this is Julie Byrne Walker. Alright, so when you flip it over, it had this. It had the UFO on it. You see it? Hope y'all got a good grip. But anyway, it says inner space, the real frontier. Now you open it, and then bam. Now these is what I'm talking about. This is a female women's sneaker. Look at it. It's beautiful, right? See the shades right here? Fire. And it's almost like the wrap. See the bottom? Now tell me which one is better. These, right? New phone, who did? He had her name written on the side too. See the lines right here, the reflectives all around it, and the pillow print, the suede. I mean, shout out to the manufacturer who made this, and shout out to Melody. Here go to the next one. Let me put this back. Beep. Oh, now these are the women's Air Jordan mid Philly. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. Now, bam. So, see this, and it had writing on the side. Then it says, if you knew what you had was rare, you would never waste it. This is like the Air Force One, but the old school version. And it has like the premium leather on it. And you can actually smell it too. It's orange. And this right here is like off-white with the clock. It's like the face of the watch, basically. And it had the initials right here, which is ME. You got the Jordan flight print right here. Leather. This part right here, it's like cloth suede. But now the tongue is my favorite part. It's pink. Pink leather. Now let me move the light so y'all can see this a little bit more. See, now y'all can see it, right? There you go. Now, see the bottom? It had that clear, cloudy, see-through print. Hello? Call me later. No, I'm just playing. That was man. I guess it comes with 3. So you got the yellow, the high yellow, purple, and blue. Alright, put these back. Now the other side has green. See the green right here? It's different tones in green. You got the lime green right here, the blue, the navy. You got the little darker shade of green. And you also have the wash space right here too. Now it has the writing on the bottom too. See? All around it. It's leather. And this one has the blue tone. Like a baby blue tone. So now, yes, both of them had 2 different colors on 2 different shoes. Well, I would just say like 1, 2, 3, 4. I would just say like about 6 or 7 colors. I mean, this idea right here is like brilliant. These are going for like $1,000 right now on StockX, eBay, all of that. But am I selling these? Nope. They're mine. Why reason being is because I hate when people take advantage of a shoe that is made exclusively for women. When I'm gonna wear these, I don't know. But let's see. Yep. Okay, now these. This was my first pair of Melody Eshani that I bought. I threw the box away because it was getting messed up over time. I didn't take care of it right, but my lesson learned. Alright, so we're gonna open these. Now, these are the snakeskin Melody Eshani, the Reebook pump. I believe this was like 2014, 2013, around that time. It came out during Valentine's time, I remember. These were going for like $250. And yes, this woman, this unisex. It reminds me of the D brand sneakers with the pump on the side, right here, on the tongue. I mean, I don't know if you can hear it. You hear that, right? So, basically, these resemble the old versions of the D brand Reeboks. I don't know if you remember those. It was all black with white and like an orange gum color. And of course, the original Reebok tongue right here. Now, you can see the shoelaces mimics the same thing as the skin, the snake skin. It's not real snake skin, but you get the idea. The print and the colors go together. It's black and white, red, blue, and neon green. Now the bottom, it's the same color as the top of the tuck. Now, it came with like the shoelace jewelry, and it says love. It's not gold, but you get the idea. These were the truth. Like, I wear these like maybe 1 to 2 a year, and every time I'm walking down the street, people be like, yo, damn, this is fire. What are those? And I just be like, Melody Eshani. They be like, who? Oh, that chick? Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, anyway. This is the women's grill right here. Now, those are the 3 favorite sneakers that I have that are made and designed by a woman. And I support female designers. I mean, it's not a lot of them, it's very few. And I'm about to be one of them. So I think Melody for paving the way. I support you and I rock with you.